Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Wi-Fi not working problem on Windows 11. So guys, there are some reason you can try to resolve this problem. I mentioned in my article about 10 solution. There are guys some reasons. Here are some common reasons. You can see here incompatible apps and programs, third-party firewall, corrupt Windows registry keys, different type of malware, different type of malware, corrupt Windows files, changed Wi-Fi password, weak signals, failed Windows updates, network driver failure, and invalid IP configuration. So here you will see about 10 8. So here guys you will see 8 solution, and this method will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first one, check the physical key on the keyboard. Most of the laptops have a physical key to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi. So you need to find out related key. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on from the keyboard. Otherwise, you will see a red X or globe sign with no internet here. Second method, reset internet settings. So just click on start. So this is the first method. Second one, reset internet settings. So open settings in your Windows 11. Then click on network and internet. Now here click on advanced network settings, and here you will see the option network reset. Click on it and click on reset now. Click on yes. Then restart your system. So this is the second method. Third one, use Windows 10 or 11 troubleshooter. Start and settings, and here click on network and internet. So here click on troubleshoot, this one. Other troubleshooters, and run troubleshooter on internet connection, and follow the suggestions if you see here. Fourth method, check the network adapter. So click on start, then settings, network and internet. So here click on advanced network settings, then here click on more network adapter options. Now make sure this Wi-Fi network adapter is enabled. Right click on it, and if you see here enabled, so just click on it like this. Right click on it and enable. Fifth, update the network driver. So press Windows key plus R. Now type this command debmgmt.msc, then click on OK. So you will open device manager, and here open and expand networks. This one, network adapters. Now right click on this wireless adapter, then update driver. Search automatically first time, second time update driver and browse my computer. Now select let me pick from a list and select latest driver. Another method, uninstall the network driver on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So same, open device manager, expand network adapters, right click on wireless and uninstall device, uninstall and then and restart your system. And 7 method, again open device manager and right click, update properties, drivers and click on rollback driver if this option is available. 7 method, fix Windows socket API errors and reset IP logs. So open CMD, run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command net sh winsock reset. Press enter. Second time this command and press enter. And also guys you can reset your IP log. So this is the additional command. Press enter. Ninth method, open services. Now in this list guys you have to find out WLAN auto config. Double click on it. Startup type select automatic and make sure the setting is running. If you see stopped, so just click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now exit and restart. 10th method, reset your network connection and 11, install latest network driver. Your laptop or PC manufacturer website like Dell, type Wi-Fi driver for Windows 10 or for Windows 11. You can find the best download for your system. Just enter your Dell service tag or model. And 12th method, press Windows key plus R. Now here type msconfig. Now click on boot and here click on safe boot. As we can see here with network option connected. Now check if you are able to connect to the network. If not, then there is no issue with third-party programs and services. If you connect to Wi-Fi in safe mode, then you need to find the evil services. So open system configuration and again select services tab. Now here hide all Microsoft services, then disable all, then click on apply, then click on OK and restart your system. And 13th method, check the network hardware. All above mentioned will fail. If there is a problem with the network hardware, you can try 100 S of tips, but nothing will work. And 13th method, check the network hardware. So search CMD and run as administrative, then type this command. If this not works, so try this command and hit enter. If you are getting a reply like so, you will see then the network hardware is good. As we can see here. So this is the guys all method. I will give my this article link in description, so you can read, and also I show some method how to try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you or not.